Hi dolls, today's video is a little bit different. So my hubby made me mad last week, so I decided to treat myself to a little bit of makeup on his dime. And I'm just going to do a little unboxing. The brand is called Flower Nose. It's a brand I've always wanted to try for a long time, but just could never bring myself to get. So I was like, you know what, this is the perfect chance. And I just want to let you see. So here's the box it came in. It's so pretty. Everything about this brand is just like super gorgeous. Like, look at this. Comes in this beautiful box. I'm in love. So pretty. I got the Strawberry Cupid collection. That's why I have this really pretty box. And here's all the makeup. I got a few things for free. So the first free gift I got was this cute little bow for your hair. I also got this hand lotion for free. Let me open it. Very pretty, the cutest packaging. Everything in this brand is super pretty. Smells very, very good. Nice lotion. I also got this free makeup wipe with it. Free little powder puff with it too. The thing I really wanted was just adorable, adorable packaging. The first thing was this cute pressed powder. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. It's really pale because it's a Chinese brand, but I think it will work like for me like as a translucent powder. And it comes with a cute little powder puff inside. This cute little heart puff that I could use for the... I got a liquid blush. I tried to get everything more dark skin compatible. This is the packaging. Also super, super cute. And I got a peach color because I wanted something more subtle. I have a lot of pinks, so I kind of wanted a peachy color. And there it is swatched on my hand. It's really pretty. I think that's going to look really nice. I got an eyeshadow palette. And again, just gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. Look at that. So, so pretty. And just it's basically like a very nude. So cute. I love it. Two little mini powder puffs. The next thing from the Strawberry Cupid is this lip. This is a lip cream. And look at the cuteness. It's a little cake. So adorable. And I know I'm going to love this. This is just like right up my alley of shades I always use. There it is. So pretty. The next time I do my makeup, I'm definitely going to use this. From the Strawberry Cupid collection is this very, very, very pretty mirror. Look at this. So pretty. Everything in this collection is just literally gorgeous. And it has a little bow. Just put it on. With the hand mirror. I got some things. It's like a glow value pack. And this came from the little angel collection. So cute in a little box. And it's just like the prettiest packaging again. Like, it's a blush, a cream blush. And look at that. So gorgeous. It's a really pretty cream color. I don't want to rub it too much. And I got a lip gloss. This is really pretty. It's from the Mermaid collection. It's so cute. And it's a very pretty nude. And the last thing I got was this really, really pretty lipstick. This is the packaging. And it's just gorgeous stuff, I swear. And here is the lipstick. Pretty pink. I can't wait to use it. It's just so gorgeous. Like, I don't even want to use it, honestly, but it's just so cute. I love it so much. So let me know if you guys want to see me try and do a get ready with me with the makeup. And let me know what you do when you're feeling a little bit down. Do a little pick me up. For me, retail therapy always helps. Bye.